Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2012 Chevy Silverado. We're going to start our walk around on the driver's side. First thing you're going to notice is it does have a lift kit. Nice set of aftermarket wheels and tires. Ton of tread left there. They've added over fenders, Predator step assist. And we'll just do our best to point out any dents, stings, scratches. You're going to see a couple little thin spots. No major dents or dings. As we come around to the back, trailer tow, integrated backup camera. They've got these nice blackout lights. A little thin spot there. Little spot in the trim. Overall, exterior looks really nice. Give you a shot of those 35-inch wheels and those XD rims. Taking a look at the interior now, you do get multiple adjustments here for the driver's seat. It's a nice black cloth seating. 94,173 is your current mileage. There's an aftermarket Alpine CD player in here. It also has your backup camera integrated, dual climate control, multiple power ports. And this is the 5-passenger arrangement, so you do get a lot of extra space with this center console, as well as some additional storage. All the flooring is going to be black. Looking in the back seat now, just do a nice slow pan over the seats. Everything looks good, no signs of any staining or tears back here. You do get one additional power port. Looking in the bed now, full bed liner. There's a truck box integrated here as well as your back rack. Taking one more look at the back seat from the passenger side. There is an integrated rear sliding window there. 60/40 split. We'll go ahead and flip that up. And both seats can flip up, obviously, so you get a lot of additional cargo room here. All your all-weather mats are included. We're going to finish up on the passenger side. You do get multiple adjustments for the passenger as well as driver. One more look over the seating surface here. I'll crawl up in here and give you one more look around. And that'll wrap up your 2012 Chevy Silverado.